Hello, how you doing? So look, you're looking at some beef ribs here. Look at that, absolutely fall off the bone. I'm going to be cooking these on a stove top. You can do them in a slow cooker, you can put it in a pressure cooker if you want, you can do it in the oven, several ways of doing it, but we're going stove top today. That meat is super tender, like butter. I'm serving that with some minted, buttered sweet potatoes. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got my short ribs here. 2 kg, just over 4 pound. You can see it's got 3 nice bones in it. 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3. What I've done is I've just patted it dry a little bit. We're going to get to the cooker and get a little bit of colour on it first. Okay, so we're on a medium heat. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil in there. We're just going to take this and drop it in. I'm going to get some salt and pepper on this side now. And the first time I flip it, I'm going to do the same on the other side. So don't have the heat up too high. Just going to pat that pepper on. We're going to cook this for about 10 minutes, 10 maybe 12 minutes, medium heat, and I'm going to be flipping it every minute or so. So there's the first flip there, so salt and pepper again. And then I'm going to be just flipping away, flipping away. Okay, off goes the heat for the moment. Just got some colour on that, as you can see. Obviously it's not cooked anywhere near through yet. Now I've done this like this. If you wanted, you could have cut these ribs and put them in separately. I'm just going for the one piece. We're going to fetch this out, but we're going to go back into this pan. So I've got 2 cups of onion here, cut nice and small. Couple of teaspoons of dried thyme, but you know, you can change that to whatever you want. Medium heat, 3 minutes. Next up, a little bit more salt and pepper. I've got some garlic here, but the garlic I've got is just whole little cloves, as much or as little as you like. And if you wanted, you could chop that. I mean, we're going to be cooking this for a long, long time. Here I've got 1 cup of tomato paste. In that goes. And we just need to cook this tomato paste out. So it's going to take like maybe 4 minutes or so of just stirring and stirring. Beautiful stuff. Next up, we're going to grab our ribs. I'm going to put the rib side down. And then I've got some stock here. I'm actually using chicken stock. You could use chicken, beef, or vegetable stock, or a lot of people would be putting in a bottle or so of wine or something, wouldn't they? Okay, that's 1.5 liters. Now what's going to happen is we're going to put this on a low heat, on a simmer, okay? We're going to get a lid on it. And it's going to go for 5,000 years. Maybe not quite that long. But it's going to go for 3 or 4 hours. If it reduces down at all, top it up again. You can flip it every now and then, like every hour or so if you wanted to. So today I'm cooking this on the stove top like this, but if you wanted, you could put this in the oven. Obviously, you need a pan that doesn't have plastic handles at all, but you could get some, you know, if you haven't got a lid for it, get some aluminium or silver foil over it, metal foil over it, put it on a nice low oven for about the same amount of time. You can't really overcook this. 3 hours, 5 hours, it's, you know, the longer the better really, I suppose. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off. That is looking amazing. So depending on the size, the quality of your meat, depends how long you're going to cook this for. Now you can't, like I say, you're not going to overcook this. What we're looking for here is the bone. Let's get the bone and see what it does. There you go. That's what you want. That is what you want. How's this one doing? Same look, look at that. Beautiful. So I've taken all 3 of the ribs out, the bones out, and popped that on a plate. Let's just have a look. I'm not even cutting that, I'm just breaking it. You can see it's super fab, super tender. Okay, let's dress this up. So just poured some of that lovely sauce on there. I've still got some balance as well, which I'm not going to throw away. It's fabulous. I'm going to be serving this with minted, fresh mint, sweet, buttered potatoes. And we're going to take our bones and serve them just so that we can show our guests what work has gone in here and how wonderful it is. That is beautiful. So does it take forever? Indeed it does. Like I say, you can't really overcook this. You can go for hours and hours, but you can see we've got some absolutely wonderful, wonderful meat there. Absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.